Hey wonderful viewers, welcome back to Lemon Cone, your go-to destination for delightful recipes. Today we are embarking on a delightful journey with not one but two heavenly hot chocolates, Mexican hot chocolate and Italian hot chocolate. Let's kick things off by diving into the rich and flavorful world of Mexican hot chocolate. In a pot, blend your milk of choice with the cinnamon, sugar, cocoa powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper, a dash of vanilla essence. Whisk away any lumps until it's warm. Then add chopped chocolate for that velvety finish. Bring it to a gentle boil. Pour into your favorite mug. Feel free to garnish with marshmallows. It's optional, but I never say no to that extra bit of indulgence. And don't forget to sprinkle some cayenne pepper for that perfect balance of sweetness and heat. Mexican hot chocolate traces its roots to the Aztecs who enjoyed the concoction of ground cocoa beans, chili peppers, and spices. Today it's a delightful blend of chocolate, cinnamon, and a hint of cayenne pepper, bridging ancient traditions with modern flavor. Before whipping up another chocolatey masterpiece, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Your support means the world to us. Time for a taste of Italy with our velvety Italian hot chocolate. Start by creating a slurry. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of milk and set it aside. In a pot, let your chosen milk mingle with sugar and cocoa powder. A pinch of salt, bring it to a gentle boil. Add that cornstarch slurry and let it dance for a while. Turn off the heat and invite chopped chocolate to the party. Stir it, melts into perfection. Crown it with whipped cream, sprinkle some chocolate shavings, and let the indulgence begin. Italian hot chocolate or cioccolata calda originated in 16th century, renowned for its velvety texture. It features high-quality chocolate and a thickening agent like cornstarch. Italians often enjoy this indulgent treat during the colder months, savoring its creamy consistency and pairing it with whipped cream or chocolate shavings for an extra touch of luxury. Two amazing hot chocolates, which one do you prefer, the bold Mexican or the luxurious Italian? Share your favorites below. If you enjoyed this journey, so like, share and subscribe. Until next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.